the pine section in the Mount Kenya forest, where you find the pine trees. And as you can see, in the pine trees there are very few undergrowths. This is because the pine trees, so like they cover most of their part. Due to competition, they are very tall in structure and grow not that big, but they are very tall. Yeah, and cover. There are very few parts which they receive the sunlight in these lower areas, and if they receive these pine leaves, as they dry and drop, since they take a long time to dry, now they form something we call like a layer on top of the grass. So this grass never grows, never matures, so it becomes very small. So as you can see in this area, it's a place that can be very productive. In fact, this area is not dry. As you can see, let me take you closer. As you can see, this is not grass which is dry, it's just the pine leaves which are dry. And these leaves, they take a very long time to dry and decay. So they don't form the exact humus or the exact manure which enables the undergrowth to grow, and still they don't allow for the growth of the undergrowth. So the trees just grow. The undergrowths there, such as ferns, they just grow, since they don't require a lot of sunlight. Yeah, that's why you can just see very few trees or very few plants at the bottom of the pine trees. Yeah, it's very extensive. As you can see, it has traveled, or it has extended, to a larger area. Yeah, it's just also a bridge for entering the Mount Kenya forest now. And the pine is evergreen, so it's an advantage to the tree also. As I was telling you, now this is the evergreen areas in Kirinyaga. As you can see, that is the Kangaita factory. Yeah, this is the eucalyptus trees which act as the bridge between the areas where people live, or the plantation, and the Mount Kenya forest. But in this section now, the tea is used as the bridge. So as you can see, this tea here, it's part of the Nyayo tea plantation, and it is the bridge between the Mount Kenya forest and the areas where people live. As you can see, those are the settlements. They are far away. Yeah, these are just the trees which I was showing you. Yeah, they are within the part of the station, the forest service station. Now, as you can see, there are many trees there. Most of them are indigenous. That is why if you go walking inside there, you'll find camphor. You'll find the merwok. The merwok is a tree which is very big in size. Yeah, you'll find very many trees. Yeah, there. And as you can see, it extends far deeper and further away. Yeah, this is the great Mount Kenya forest. So if you can zoom, it's the farthest. So yeah, those are the places. The other places are beyond my reach, or beyond my eyesight. Yeah, as you can see, it's very extensive. Yeah. So for those who love an adventure in these areas, just share your comments in the comment section below. Yeah, tell me your experience. If you have ever been here, tell me your experience and how you would like your other or your next visit here to be. So till next time, nice time. Thank you.